not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey viewers, this is going to be a quick unboxing and my first impressions on the Noise CHARGE Bluetooth earphones. This is a neckband style earphone. Wow, it is quite windy today and not an ideal place to unbox. For the price of $1,500 on Amazon, the features this earphones offer is quite impressive. It promises 16 hours of playtime, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 sweatproof certification, dual pairing, and even a dedicated bass booster button. The package was very light and was not impressive by any means. Let's quickly unbox and see what are the items you get in the box. Inside the box, you find the welcome pamphlet and the headphones itself snugly fit in this plastic compartment. Apart from this, you get an additional 2 pairs of ear cushions of different sizes. I guess the small and the large comes as extras and the medium sized one is already in the earphones. You also get the charging cable along with this, which is a short USB-A to micro USB cable. And finally, you get the quick start guide, which explains the features of these earphones and also helps you set up the device. Alright, let me take these headphones out of this box and get a feel of it. It does feel light but also premium at the same time. Yes, I do like the rubberized feel of this neckband. There are a total of 4 tactile buttons on the neckband. You have the volume up and down buttons, which are also used to change the tracks, and between them is the play and pause button. This same button can also be used to activate the smart assistant and also to attend and reject calls. On the same side, you also have a bass boost button. If you prefer to have a bit more bass in your audio listening experience, then this is going to come in handy. Above this is the micro USB charging port. It also has an LED to indicate the charging status. This earphone claims 16 hours of playback time and 2 hours of charging time. After using for a couple of weeks now, I do second this claim. These earphones come with magnetized earpieces. This helps to secure the earpieces when not in use. But it would have been nice to see a play pause feature added to this magnetized earpieces. Coming to the audio quality, with 10mm drivers, the music is really well balanced. I am talking about the normal mode. In the bass boost mode, it does give a bit more to the low end, but it is still not significant. So people who really like a bassy sound will not appreciate even when activating the extra bass. Considering the price point at which it sells, the audio quality is very much justified. You can consider this as a primary device for taking calls. But occasionally I do find the receiver on the other end complaining about echoing of my voice. I'm still not sure if it is an issue with these headphones or my service provider. But overall, the call quality was good. Here are my final thoughts. Let's start with the pros. For this price point, it has a very good music quality and a very balanced music. And the battery life is too good. So for the past couple of weeks, I was able to still reach 16 hours of playback time. And Bluetooth connectivity is another pro here, because this is one of the earphones I was able to use while walking through different rooms and still stay connected. But these headphones are not without their flaws. The neckband itself feels a bit stiff, so it doesn't feel to lay perfectly flat around my neck. And the magnets in the earpieces are not very strong. In 2020, it is sad to see that USB-C was not provided instead of the micro USB. for anyone looking for a neckband style Bluetooth headphone at this price point, I will still recommend this. Of all the great content that you could have clicked on YouTube, thank you for choosing this video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button once. If you did not, hit the dislike button twice and leave your constructive feedback and questions in the comment section below. Subscribe my channel IJO for more videos on tech, travel and other interesting life hacks. See you all soon in another video. Until then, stay safe and stay cool.